Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're making a Hermosa beach cocktail. Basically a strawberry sage margarita. Let's do it. Okay, so obviously this is going to start with some fresh, locally picked strawberries. Always go fresher. The fresher the better, guys, whenever you're making cocktails. And some fresh sage picked from my garden. Of course, tequila using Reposado. And then lime and simple syrup. So we're going to start by picking off a whole bunch of sage and dumping it into our glass. You can pick the stems off, but don't worry, we're gonna muddle and we're gonna strain all this out anyways. So about 8 to 10 leaves. Okay, next up we're gonna do a half ounce of simple syrup. I'm using plain simple syrup. The actual original recipe did call for demerara syrup, so if you got that, use it. I didn't have any at the moment. Okay, you could muddle your strawberries and sage together. I figured I would do it separately to give the sage a little bit of its own attention. So just gently press the sage, just like we would do with mint cocktails. We're just gently pressing to release some of those aromatics into the sugar. We're going to be basically creating a sage simple syrup. Okay, so when you bring that up to your nose, it should smell very earthy, very savory, just really good sage flavor. Okay, next up, about 2 to 4 strawberries, depending on the size. We're just going to chop them up and throw them into our glass. I think I'm using about 3. The fresher, the better here. Look how red those strawberries are. There's no orange, no white flesh. They're bright red. Grab your muddler again and squish and smash those strawberries, extracting all the juice you can. Hey guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, hit that button, hit that bell notification, and get messages every time we release new videos. Okay, next up we're going to add a whole ounce of fresh lime juice. And last but certainly not least, our tequila. I'm using Hornitos Reposado. I've mentioned this before, in cocktails I prefer Reposado. I just find it has a deeper, richer flavor, but that's my preference. Of course, if you wanted to make this a strawberry sage margarita, you could add a little bit of orange liqueur at this point. But for Hermosa Beach, no orange liqueur, just tequila. Okay, that's it for the ingredients. We will top our glass with ice. Do a flippy move. Seal our tin and commence shaking. Give this a good hard shake. If you're on Instagram, find me at RobIMX. There, we got lots of stuff in there, so give it a really good shake. Alright, for a glass, we're using a Collins glass. It's pre-chilled with a whole lot of ice. Of course, we're going to double strain this, so get your Hawthorne and fine mesh tea strainer, because we don't want any of those sage leaves or strawberry bits in our drink. Slow pour through that chilled glass. Look at that bright red color. You just know that this is going to be refreshing when it's red like that. Alright, shake the tin, tap the strainer, extract as much juice, leave nothing behind. Then we're going to grab a straw, stick it in through there, through the ice. It's always hard when the ice is pre-chilled. Now you'll notice here, I didn't quite make it to the top. That's a kind of a pet peeve of mine. I like it when the drink makes it all the way to the top of the glass, but hey, you can't win them all. Garnish, we're doing a sage bouquet and a nice fanned strawberry. Look at that. Look how sexy that looks. And that is it. That's it. That's your Hermosa Beach cocktail. Strawberry sage margarita, if you want to call it that. How does it taste? Well, I mean, strawberry, nice fresh strawberry flavor, sage, nice earthy, savory, and of course really good quality tequila. What's not to like? I mean, it's not the most complex drink, but it's very refreshing, very good on a hot summer day, which we are slowly running out of. So while we still have them, make your drinks. And there's Odin enjoying his hot dog-filled toy. Yeah, whatever. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, leave a comment, and we will see you next time. Cheers, guys.